Hello guys, my name is Joel Mukanya. I'm a CEO and founder at JTDev. For today's video, we're going to start with CSS3. What is CSS3? CSS3 allows us to style um, or provide a nice layout for our web page. And then what does it stand for? It stands for Cascading Style Sheet. Right. So there's multiple ways of including a style in your web page. So you can just use style elements on your body. Then I'm going to start with a selector of body. So you select an element that you want to style. So this one is will be your selector, and then after the bracket, after the curly bracket, you need to specify the rules that you want to apply. Those rules is going to be the CSS style, okay? Then which will be applied to your body element. So for instance, I'm going to use a background color, and then on the background color, we're going to set the background color to orange. So you need to see that you have a value or a key uh, that would be a background color, and then you need to make use of colon, not equals to. You need to make use of colon. Then after that, you assign its value. Then its value that you assign here, it's going to be orange. Okay, here is our output. So if you don't want to put it on body, you can also press it on the head. Can you do this? Then we can change this one to, let's have a look. Yeah, there you go. So you now ask what will be, which one will take the effect, which one will take the priority to apply um, a style, on the element. So the close the style is, then the priority it has. So what I mean is, if you apply it on the head, because to start checking from the head to the bottom, then it will apply. And then if we go to the body, and then we do the same thing, but on the body we change it to other color, let's say maybe gray, then it will be gray. Right. Then if you come to that particular element, and then you say style, then you say background color, you can also do this, and then you apply maybe black. Then black will be the latest change that you override all other rules. You see. Let's see. Alright. And then now I'm going to show you the best practice that I usually use to show you just now. Just give me a second. First, we need to create a folder. Then this folder, I'm going to name it maybe style. Then on the style folder, we need a file called style.css. And then this file is going to be referred as an external file for CSS. Then I'm going to link it in here on the head. So I'm going to use the link, and then make sure that this attribute has a value of style sheet. Then the href, which is going to allow us to specify the path to our file, then to allow us to link our style here. So this is going to be the best practice. You just have to provide all your CSS code in here, then it will affect your design. on your skeleton, on your HTML skeleton. I hope you understood. So let me apply the background color. Now before we start with background color, we need to start selecting an element, because if you start typing those keywords, it's not gonna work. So we type body, and then we apply a rules. So that's it. So it will be background color. Then we can say let's use another dark cyan. Okay, bingo. So I'm going to make use of another element inside of our body. So let's create a box. So we can create a box here. So a box is going to be, we're going to use a container. Then we give it an ID of box, maybe box 1. Alright. So since there's nothing, so we can just put everything to be in one line. So we're just going to take this ID and actually come up here, and then we're just going to remove this guy. Then we set it an ID, so we need to make use of hashtag, then the ID name, then the curly bracket, and then start. Then here it will be just background color. There we say dark cyan. Let's have a look. Okay, so I didn't specify any size of my div, so let's just do it just now. So width will be 200 pixels, and then height will be also 200 pixels. Okay, then there we go. Okay, thank you guys. And then for the next video, we're going to go deep with CSS. Not that deep, but we're going to continue with other features on CSS3. Okay, please subscribe, and thank you.